So I just got checked for license. But as long as you got driver's license, you're alright. How do I open the back? That one? Oh, okay. Thank you. No. Cheaper one, right? That was a long journey, over an hour of riding this motorbike through. The end bit was actually really good because there's not many cars and you can see quite beautiful scenery and a peaceful drive. Found the Insta spot where everyone is taking Insta photos right behind me and that way. Just the drone footage alone made this trip worth it because as you can see there's some epic shots. Shaking the tray. How crazy is that? That's intense. They're either fighting or playing. Either or. They're both fun. Don't need to go to the monkey forest because you could just come here. Kill two birds with one stone, right? So you don't actually have to go all the way to the monkey forest to see some monkeys. You can just come here to Uluwatu Temple and see the monkeys as well. This is what overtourism looks like. Way too many buses, way too many tourists, taking away from the experience. And I think, as always, when you go to somewhere that's popular, it is to expect it, you know. You can't expect something else because it's famous and everybody wants to come here, right? So that makes sense. And I think that's why to truly experience a place, you need to stay a long time and be able to go around without a time pressure and explore areas that are not popular or that are not super famous. Okay. Hashish, holy shit. No, I'm okay. I don't need hashish, sorry. Indonesia's pretty tough on this stuff. How come this hashish just around? Just coming down to the beach. Luckily we got a good weather for the sunset. Got myself some food, got some drink. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Bye.